Hi, my name is Guinevere King from West Coast Multi-Hulls, and today I'm going to show you a beautiful Fountaine Pajot Elba 45 that's available for purchase and for immediate placement into our Sea of Cortez Charter fleet. Let's go take a look. Zaz is a charter champion with 4 modern and well-appointed Island Queen staterooms with ensuite heads and is fully equipped to cruise the islands year-round with air conditioning, generator, watermaker, and 3 stunning outdoor lounge areas for relaxing and dining al fresco. Zaz is built for entertaining. The salon area is bright and spacious with plenty of room for lounging and sharing the large open galley space. I love the large 2-drawer refrigerator and additional freezer space for all the fresh fish you will catch while out on charter. The outdoor dining area has a built-in outdoor grill with cutting board, additional refrigerator, and beautiful teak dining table that can seat up to 8 guests. Another great feature is the hydraulic swim platform that makes it easy to get in and out of the water and is a great place to store all your water toys. Zaz is a breeze to sail with great visibility from the helm station, an electric winch for raising the mainsail, and full Garmin navigation electronics package. Just above the helm station is the Sky Lounge area with the best view in the house for enjoying a sundowner while at anchor or for sunning while underway. Moving forward towards the bow, you can't help but fall in love with the front row seats for the best view of dolphins and other sea life that love to play in the bow wake. This is the perfect boat for a sailing vacation exploring the pristine islands in Mexico's stunning National Marine Park in the Sea of Cortez. If you want additional captain and crew on board, Zaz is outfitted with crew quarters port and starboard, which also can be used as additional berths. By placing Zaz in our charter fleet, you can feel confident that your boat will be cared for and maintained to the highest level. We prioritize our boat owners and make sure your boat is always charter ready for you to enjoy anytime you want to use it. If you are looking for the perfect boat for entertaining family and friends and you want to offset the cost of ownership, please give us a call today or visit our website at charter-catamaran.com. Thank you for watching.